If you haven't heard about Anchor, it's the easiest way to make a podcast. Let me explain. It's free. There's creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcast, and many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast in one place.
New Year's resolutions are hard, but starting 2020 with the best entertainment during the Xfinity New Year, New Gig Sale is easy. Now that's simple, easy, awesome. Click, call, or visit us today. Restrictions apply. Not available in all areas.
Good afternoon. Here is the Africa Business News. Oil jumped as rising tension in the Middle East and North Africa halted output and exports from key OPEC producers, Iraq and Libya. Futures in New York and London rose more than 1.5%. Iraq temporarily stopped output at an oil field on Sunday, and supply from a second site is at risk as widespread unrest escalates in OPEC's second biggest producer. Oil has had a rocky start to the year as tension spikes between Washington and Tehran, and initial optimism over the limited U.S.-China trade deal waned amidst skepticism about China's ability to meet targets. The International Energy Agency said last week that supplies from Iraq are potentially vulnerable due to rising political risk in the country and the broader region. The spike in oil prices is a rational response to the news on Libya and reflect the jumpy nature of the market, but the temporary stoppage of production in Iraq is more significant, says Michael McCarthy, Chief Market Strategist at CMC Markets in Sydney. The $60 mark for West Texas Intermediate is providing. Prices are likely to remain capped, given the market's reactive nature to fade geopolitical risk quickly. Stephen Innes, Asia-Pacific strategist at Axie Trader, said in a note. Thank you very much for listening.